There are two different ways to access your Flipgrid account. One way is you'll notice on the navigation menu on the left-hand side there is a tab for Flipgrid. So if you click on that, it will ask you for a login. Now you will log in with your UAA login information through Google. So I'm logging in. Mine's already going to be automatic. I'm going to log in with my @alaska.edu. And here I come to the Flipgrid website. I scroll up. You'll see the first one, our assignment is introductions. So right over here on the introductions tab, you will click this green plus button to add your video, and it will automatically start counting down for you to add your video. So here it is. I'm going to hit allow. Make sure I'm using your internal camera. And then I can, there I am. See, I'm at home and I hear my kids behind me. So I can hit record when I'm ready to record. All right. So, and then you can watch, this is a way you can watch other people's videos that have already posted, and you can comment on there. So I will go ahead and open mine, and you can leave a reply to the video that I left by clicking this green button right here. Okay, so all right, I'm going to close out of that, and I'm going to go back to your Blackboard shell. The other way you can access your Flipgrid account, that's probably the easiest one. On your menu, you can also click under Assignments on the left-hand menu. This brings you to all of your assignments. Your Flipgrid is considered a discussion assignment, so I'd open up Discussion Assignments, and here's another way to access it. This will bring you, using this link, again, directly to the same site. It will ask for the login again, and same thing. All right, so those are the two different ways you can access your Flipgrid introduction assignment.